Hello guys. So today's video, we'll be talking about how to monitor running processes with top command. We use top command to monitor processes in our Red Hat operating system. So to do that, you want to use top to monitor running processes. Just type top and press enter. So it's going to take you displaying some load of information to you. So you can see now it's telling me the time that the processes are started running, telling me that I have 2 active users, then load average, the last 1 minute, the load of the operating system, the last 5 minutes, the load of the operating system, and the last 15 minutes, the load of the operating system. Tasks telling me that I have 305 total task processes that is running on this Red Hat operating system. 2 is running, 303 is sleeping. That means they are idle. I've not stopped any processes and I've not terminated any processes. That's why you see stop zero, zombie zero. CPU letting us know the CPU utilization. Then the memory utilization, this is what you are doing. The total memory utilization, the free space that is available for processes. Then the amount, the number of used memory by the processes is what we have here. Then swipe memory as well, telling us the total, telling us the number in bytes that is free, telling us the number that is used. So the columns there, you are familiar with it. Every process has a PID number. Every process has a user that is attached to it. PR is the priority. This nice is used to set the priority. So CPU utilization and the rest. So all these processes that is running on this Red Hat operating system you are seeing. Let me say that I want to see the memory utilization. Why on top? I'll just press M on my keyboard. When we press M, it's telling me that the memory has used 69% of the total memory. 69% has been used from the total memory, while 62% of the swipe memory has been used. So if I don't want to see it again, I press the M to take it off. You can see now that the row for the memory information is no more here. So if I want to see it again, I press M to bring it up. If I want to see how many CPU do I have on this running system, I'll just press number 1. I'll press number 1. So I have only one CPU. I have only one CPU that is running on this system. I have one CPU. So I press number 1 to take it off again. So let me start. I want to start another process. Let's start another process and just see how it works. So I want to start another process that's yes command. I want to redirect it to dev.no file. So, and I want it to run on the background. So you can see now the process has started. This is the job ID for it, and this is the process ID. So for us to know it, I have to type top again because I already exited top by pressing Ctrl C. We make it to exit the top. So I want to go back to top information. So I'm here now. So you can see the first row of information is that of the yes command that we started. Look at it now. Its memory CPU utilization is 84% CPU utilization. So I may decide that it's eating too much of my CPU utilization. So I want to kill it. I can kill it while in this top prompt. So how do I do? I'll just press K. I want to kill it. So I have to press the PID for the process that I want to kill. I'll have a 23005. I'll press enter. So it now asks that, okay, what is the signal that I've sent it to it? So I'll put seek kill. Tell it I want it to kill it abruptly, immediately, kill it immediately. I'll press enter. So with that, the process, you can see that it has been terminated. It's no more showing. So it has filled up the CPU utilization. So like I told every process has a priority value. Every process has a priority. The essence of priority value is it signifies the time of CPU utilization. Every running processes need CPU utilization for them to do their task. So each process that is created, they have priority value. So the priority ranges from -19 to 20. -19, which is the highest priority. If you have any process that has -19, has the highest priority of CPU utilization. So, and when you have like 19 or 20 priorities, means that your priority to the CPU is very low, is low. That's what that means, that the priority for the CPU is low. So likewise, processes can need more CPU time. So we can do that. We can give CPU time to processes, even while they are running. So we can do it by using Ni is nice. We use nice to set CPU, we use nice to set processes priority value, to set process priority value. So I'm going to create a process now. I'm going to send the nice value to set the priority value for the process. So let me log out from this top. So let me clear it. So let's say now I want to set the nice value for the process I want to create now. So nice dash n, then what value do I want to give it? I want to give it 10. I want it to have 10 value for the nice, which can represent the process priority. So likewise, this is the command. So, and I want it to run at the background. So I'm going to redirect it to dev./no. I want it to run at the background. So with this now, you can see now it has started. And the nice value now will be 10. If you go and check it, let's check it by running the top command. So when you run the top command, so you can see this is the yes process, it has started. You can see the nice value now is not 10, while the PR now is not 30, because the nice value also determine the priority value of the process. So this process now has high priority value, meaning that the CPU time will be very low. Now, let's say that this process needs more CPU time. So I can adjust it. I can adjust it so that it can have lower priority value. So in order for it to increase the CPU utilization time. So how do I do that if I want to readjust it? To readjust it, let me get out of this top. So the next thing around, renice is what I will use to readjust it. Renice -n. So let's say I want to readjust it to -5. I want to adjust it. So I have to specify which process do I want to reset. Am I changing the nice value? I have to put it there 23096. That is the PID for the yes command, which I press enter. You can see now it's taking the priority for 10 to -5. So with this now, it will increase the CPU time of the process, because the priority value has been reduced, making it to have higher CPU utilization priority. So let's press top now, top. So you can see that the priority value has changed for 30. It was 30 before, it's now 15, because we reset it through the nice value. So any of the processes that normally the kernel, the operating system, the Red Hat operating system kernel normally adjust it. Well, if we need to do it, we can do it manually, like the way I do it now. You want to increase the priority value or decrease the priority value of any process in order for it to have more CPU time, you can do that. So this block of this information that we see now, let's say we want to sort it according to the memory utilization. We want to sort it according to the memory utilization. We press Shift M. So we have arranged it according to memory utilization. The process that having using more memory will be at the top, so you can see it now. So let's say I want to set it according to CPU processor utilization. I'll press Shift P. So you can see now the one with the highest CPU utilization is the one that is at the top. So I can see it now, this yes. So if I see that it's taking up too much memory, I can just kill it. So we are going to kill it, but I'll not kill it from the top here. We kill it. So let's say that I want to sort it according to the PID number. I want to sort this list of processes according to what I do. I press Shift plus R. So you can see now it has been set according to the PID. So that's on that. So let's say now I want to kill that yes command because it's taking too much CPU utilization. I want to kill it. So I'll log out, I'll say exit from the top command here, information here. So what do I want to do? How to kill the process? I already told you how to kill process. PQ, I'll type the name of that process, which is res. So I'll press end. I'll press enter. So if you check it again, you see that it will not be there again. It's no more there. We have already killed it. So that is how you use Top to monitor running processes. Guys, like I told you, don't watch the video without implementing. When you implement it, it will give you confidence, and you see that we are moving from zero level to hero level when we are talking about Red Hat system administration. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.